Hi, I'm Mike Konrad, member of the SMTA Global Board of Directors, where I'm Vice President of Communications, back with you once again, this time for the SMTA update for the month of December 2024. Here's what's happening at SMTA. On Thursday, December 3rd, the Upper Midwest chapter will host a live event entitled Cleaning 101. Dr. Adam Klett from Kaizen, John Niederman from Zestron, and Dr. Surag Yadav from ITW TechSpray and Kevin Marion from Microcare will present this course. The event takes place from 2:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. at the Hennepin Technical College in Brooklyn, Minnesota. This event is $20 for SMTA members, twice that, $40 for non-members, and free for students who register with a college email address. On Thursday, December 5th, the Silicon Valley chapter will host its annual Expo and Technical Forum at the Fremont Marriott Silicon Valley Hotel in Fremont, California. There will be 3 technical sessions, including a closer look at VGA measurements, IPC guidelines, and X-ray inspection by Nick Fieldhouse from Omron, concerns about surface mount device exposure to X-ray radiation, it's not limited to space anymore, by Steve Martell from Nordson T&I, and advanced materials characterization to gain deeper insight into microvia failure mechanisms by Dr. Audrey Chamois from Covalent Metrology. That was a hard one. Registration opens at 8:30 a.m. and lunch and happy hour will be provided. The event is free for everyone. Also on Thursday, December 5th, on the other side of the pond, the SMTA Europe chapter will host a conference and facilities tour on the subject of advanced component qualification and validation. There will be 6 technical presentations, including assessment by automotive-grade applications by Finbar Waldron from Tyndall, component-level qualification by John Brown from Analog, advanced component qualification and validation by Evan James White from Qualcomm, reliability climactic testing by Kieran Foley from Coastal Ireland, advanced component evaluation and BLR risk assessment by Maurice Dorr from Vallejo, and component analysis and verification by Andy Bonner from Cupio Services. There will also be a facilities tour of the Tyndall Lab. This event takes place from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the Tyndall National Institute, Cork, in Cork, Ireland. This event costs €75 for SMTA members and €125 for non-members and €25 for students. SMTA is pleased to introduce the Leadership and Communication Training Series beginning on Thursday, December 5th and running each Thursday through February 6th. The training is designed to give new managers and established leaders skills they can apply immediately within their current environment. Professionals who attend this program will gain confidence in leadership, communication, team building, and performance evaluation. The course objectives follow the Maxwell Leadership Training Program and cover topics including self-leadership, team leadership, and organizational leadership. The course instructor is Brian Stroh, a Maxwell Certified Leadership Team Speaker, Coach, and Trainer, and a DISC Personality Consultant. The cost for this course is $199 for SMTA members and $299 for non-members. This online course runs from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Central Time every Thursday from December 5th through February 6th. On Saturday, December 7th, the Dallas chapter will host its annual Member Appreciation event at Del Frisco's Double Eagle Steakhouse in Plano, Texas. First, you'll be treated to a welcoming drink of your choice. Next, you'll be fed a top-notch 4-course dinner with your choice of 6 premium meats or vegetarian entrees to choose from. Then, during dinner, you'll be entertained with a holiday audience participation show called The Most Wonderful Crime of the Year, a murderously funny festive holiday comedy that you participate in. This event runs from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. with the cost of only $25 per member. Each member is allowed to bring 1 guest for an additional $25. On Thursday, December 12th, the Great Lakes and Wisconsin chapters will be hosting a technical webinar on the subject of 6G, Design and Manufacturing Challenges and Opportunities, presented by Julie Silk from Keysight Technologies. This webinar runs from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Central Time and is free for SMTA members and students and $25 for non-members. Also on Thursday, December 12th, the Atlanta chapter will host a member appreciation event at the Sugar Hill Distillery in Sugar Hill, Georgia. Join them for a fun evening of networking, great food, libations, and live music performed by Years Later. Limited tickets are available, so register soon. There's no cost for SMTA members, and it's $30 for non-members. If you're an SMTA chapter officer, you're invited to join our Water Cooler Friday Zoom sessions. Chat with other officers and board members, ask those questions you've always wanted to ask, share success stories, or get help with an officer's toolbox issue you've been having. The virtual event takes place on the second Friday of every month at 1 p.m. Central Time. On Thursday, January 23rd, SMTA is proud to host its now annual Ultra High Density Interconnect Symposium. As the semiconductor industry charges forward, demanding ever-increasing performance and miniaturization, the SMTA Ultra HDI Conference sets the stage for industry pioneers, researchers, engineers, designers, and academia to engage in the active sharing of information while addressing the complexities and innovations reshaping the world of Ultra HDI technology. This year's event will spotlight lab to fab updates, miniaturization and assembly, PCB fabrication breakthroughs, DFM and signal integrity, and future technologies, a look at emerging innovations. This event takes place from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Peoria Sports Complex in Peoria, Arizona. And while you have your calendars out, be sure to mark your calendars for the SMTA Pan-Pacific Strategic Electronics Symposium, better known as PanPAC. PanPAC will take place on January 27th through the 30th at the Sheraton Maui Resort and Spa in Maui, Hawaii. PanPAC, which, by the way, is SMTA's longest-running technical event, strives to build bridges and nurture relationships across all boundaries, oceans and cultures, industries and technologies, companies, and individuals. Its location in Hawaii always provides the requisite isolation from day-to-day distractions necessary to support these goals and enhance face-to-face interactions. PanPAC features high-level papers and presentations from academia and industry. Learn what's next for our industry at PanPAC. I look forward to saying aloha to you in Maui. For more information on these events or to register, visit smta.org/events. Not a member of SMTA? We can change that. Consider joining to receive the many benefits SMTA provides, including over 5,000 fully searchable technical papers in our knowledge base, on-demand webinars, 101 and advanced 201 level training courses, networking events, career resources, SMTA certification courses, and a network of local chapters around the world. If your employer is an SMTA corporate member, ask them to provide you with a login so you, too, can begin benefiting from all SMTA has to offer. Individual memberships are available for just pennies a day. More information is available at smta.org. Well, that's it for December updates. All of us at SMTA wish you and your families a very happy holiday season and a healthy and prosperous new year. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in January.